Once in a while, we hear of a teacher who skips teaching Peter Peter because they look at the sharps and they think 6 sharps and so many notes, why teach this? But it's not about reading. It's about creating a foundation of solid technique on day 1 and then reviewing that technique every single week. So let me show you why we use Peter Peter on day 1. First of all, it's great for keyboard orientation, and I'll show the students a set of 3s and 2s and have them play up and down the keyboard before they start this song. And then we focus on how they play and how to create really good technique. And so just to give you an idea, what we're trying to get is a student to sit with their body about right here, so when they lift their legs they will fall forward. This allows them to use their torso and their head, the weight of their body, to really connect and create a really good tone. It also prevents injury. So first of all, when you create a fist, what we're doing here is we're trying to create this motion from their arm all the way up through their shoulder and into their head. So they need to feel that with their whole body and connect. When you get into that second part of the song, you want them to use now all of their digits and learn how to connect all the way through their fingers, through their head, through their whole body. So don't have your students use individual fingers on this because it kind of ruins the point of the whole song. All right, let's grab a student and show you how I teach that student. Come on over, Michelle. I'll have you go up and down the keyboard normally, but we'll skip that now. So what I want you to do is find a set of 3, and I want you to roll up twice, and then roll down twice. Here we go. Okay, the next part is we're going to roll up twice and finish. Ready, go. Okay, so now I'll just pause a moment. Some students will go quickly and some you'll have to slow down for. You really want to push a student quickly to keep them engaged and feel a sense of urgency. All right, do you feel like you got the whole song? Mm-hmm. Let's try it. 1, 2, ready, go. We're gonna roll up twice. Now, sometimes I'll talk to the student and I'll tell them 1, 2, and ready. So let me demonstrate how I do that. So Michelle, I want you to go ahead and roll up twice. Here we go. Roll up twice and roll down twice. Then roll up twice again, and then finish. Really good. Let's see if you can keep up with me now. 2, ready, go. Roll up twice, and roll down twice. And roll up twice, and finish. So have lots of fun with the student. Make sure there's a lot of energy. Notice that I was sometimes playing their part so they could shadow me. You'll need to make sure that you can do the shadowing at the same time as they're playing, and you'll have to adjust for every different student type. Okay, part 2 in Peter Peter. Let's talk about why we're teaching this. First of all, again, it's connecting with their whole body as they play these notes. Now, sometimes the student will say, why am I playing with one finger? I'm a big kid. I can play with all my fingers, but it's not the point. The point is to create really good techniques. So come on over, student, and let's teach you this one. Let's take this and we're going to say, do you remember all the sets of 2? And you can have them play the 2s and then have them find this 2. And you can emulate first and say, play black, white, black, white, black, white, black. Your turn. Excellent. Now go down to the set of 3 and play the same thing. Black, white, black, white, black, white, black. Stop. That's your note. that's going to be the next note for the next section. You'll say going up, going up, and we're going to do that twice. Going up again, going up, and then we finish the same as the first part. Try that. Good, you remembered. Okay, let's try it from the very beginning with the black, white, black. Ready, go. Black, white, black, white, black, white. Go down to the set of 3. Black, white, black, white, black. Walking up on the same note. Again. And finish. A black, white, black, white, black, black, black. Do that again. 1, 1, 2. Ready, go. With a black, white, black, white, black, white, black. Down to black, white, black, white. Same note, walking up again, walk and finish with a black, white, black, white, black, black, black. So you want to use the verbiage and remember to say it before it happens to give them time to think. So just, you can kind of review that video and see how I timed it for the students, but it works really well. Okay, part 3 is one of my favorites to teach. They're still learning. Remind them about the technique that we're learning here. We're connecting all the way through our body, through our head. We're sitting correctly. And then you take and just show them right, left, and we'll cross over. Right? Sometimes people do this. Not really effective. So teach them that their left hand never moves from this one note. And you can keep it down and just have them walk that way. Or sometimes I will have them play one finger and I will play the other hand. So let's try it with a student and show you how we do this. All right, Michelle. Let's pretend that Michelle is struggling with this song. So I'm going to say, let me do the right hand and you just do the left hand. So take your left hand and put it on this note. And after I play a note, you play a note. Ready? Me, then you, me, then you. Ready, go. Me, you, me, you, me, you, me, you. Good. Me, you, 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 me, you. All me. I get the last 3. Lucky me. All right. It's your turn to do the right hand and I will do the left hand. And the way this works is you just skip over my note and you're going to play these black ones, just walking down the hill on the black notes. And there's just 4 of them. And then you'll do it again. And the third time, you keep walking down to the bottom one until you play that 3 times. Remember, it's going to be you, then me, you, then me. Go. You, then me, you, me, you, me, you, me. You, me, 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 all you. All right, now let's do it hands together with you. Your left hand never moves, and your right hand is going to be crossing over the top of the left hand. Okay, so let's try that. It's going to be right hand, left hand, left hand, and then you'll go down the hill, cross over. Do it a second time, right, left, crossing over. The third time, and this time keep walking down the hill. Very good. All right, let's try that together. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. With the right, left, crossing over. Right, left, crossing over. Right, left, crossing over. Da, 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 da. Okay, so it's really fun if you can, I sped through that, but at the end, to speed up a little bit, creates some excitement and energy, and then it's time to put part 1, part 2, part 3 together, and then every week, review that song. It only takes about 60 seconds to a minute and a half. Review it every week because you want to keep that foundation solid with good technique. Okay, today it's time to put part 1, 2, and 3 together, and I'll show you how I do it with a student. Come on over, Michelle. Okay, so they've already reviewed all these. Each week they review the other part, so now it's just a matter of putting it together. I'll start by saying, Michelle, do you remember all 3 parts? Part 1 is with the fist. You roll up twice, roll down twice, roll up twice, and finish. Okay, do you remember the second part? Black, white, black, white, black, white, black, black, white, black, white, black, white, black, walking up, and finish. And stop right there on that note. Replace it with the other hand. And now try the right, left, and that's where you find it. Okay, well, let's try it. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Roll up twice, and roll down twice. Roll up twice, and finish. All right, part 2. Let's start with the black, white, black, white, black, white, black. Black, white, black, white, black, white, black. Walking up twice, and finish. All right, keep that note and switch hands. Go right, left, 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 right. Keep a lot of energy in that. Try to rush that ending and walk them through with your words, giving them a little heads up before the beat. You need to lead them into it and lead them in rhythm like you watched me do in that video. Have fun with that. We'll see you on the next fundamental song.